Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how to fix Discord failed to load earlier message. In order to fix the Discord failed to load earlier message, you could go with a common solutions. First thing first, you want to check the Discord status. So first thing, ensure the problem isn't a widespread outage by visiting the Discord status as well. Next, you also want to make sure to open up the chat page, and you just want to make sure that you have refresh it. You could also restart your phone and check whether the issue is being solved or not. Now, if the issue still persists on, try clearing your Discord cache. For that, you want to open up settings onto your device and go to network and internet, and you want to go to apps from the list. Here it is. Locate Discord and click on to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now then, close this up, open up Discord and check whether the issue is being solved or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also try uninstalling the Discord app and reinstalling. That might also be able to help. So these are a couple things you could try in order to fix Discord failed to load earlier message. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.